This is Obsidian 9276. Let's do this thing 5 times. Here we go. The one that has no Pistons in it because it's a giveaway Pistons break. 5 times. Let's do it. One, two, three. Yeah, I was about to say, Melbourne's pretty progressive. You should be fine. And 5. Top is Suns. 5 times. Suns on top. But keep it away from Nico. He is claiming. Suns. David Dorborn. Good luck. Alrighty. Nine two seven six. Let's do this thing. Good luck to all. Richard B, if you're watching, you're in this one. You might have been in a few others. I did forget to check. Here we go. Nine two seven six. Here we go. Jalen Johnson, Andrew Wiggins, Gary Trent. 275, Bogdan Bogdanovic for the Hawks. Cherry Facebook. And rookie jersey autographs, electric etch purple for the Pacers. Sorry, Isaiah Jackson. Ooh. Josh Giddey, magnitude, number 2 of 99. And Volcanics of De'Aaron Fox. I don't know why I started putting them over there. What's Isaiah Jackson doing that's not signing? Grimesy Grimes, Keldon Johnson, Steve Nash. To 99, it is Jason Preston, rookie jersey auto for the Clippers. Jeez, there's got to be a build coming soon. To 149, it is Bogdan Bogdanovic Aurora for the Jazz. Brandon Boston Jr., 55 of 99 for the Clippers. And a pitch black Jalen Suggs. Nice. First time we've seen him. 24 of 99. Pacers are up and about. All right, Laurie Markkinen, Jalen Suggs, Darius Garland. Evan Fournier, don't Google him. Numbered to 149. To 149 it is Latrell Sprewell, Galaxy. Dominique Wilkins, orange, 14 of 50 for the Hawks. And Kevin Love for the Cavaliers, purple, 78 of 99. And that is Obsidian 9276.